Hello, happy Hanukkah, everyone. Jill and I and Kamala and Doug are honored to host you here at the White House. Doug, thank you for being such a great friend. And thank you, Ann. You've been a true friend and a real leader. And tell your son how proud of I am, man. How proud of I am, man.
Echo, echo, echo.
I've said many times before, my commitment to the safety of the Jewish people and security of Israel and its right to exist as an independent nation state. My dad always thought that we had an obligation to step up and talk about what happened. And he inspired me to take every one of my children and grandchildren when they reached the age of 14. The first trip in an aircraft overseas was to Auschwitz, to the camp.
Come on, spit it out!
Joey, that is so gross!